Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today we're going to fire up our Kamado Joe Classic and we're going to do a one-pan roasted chicken and vegetable meal, and I'm finally going to get to break in this beautiful 14-inch Smithey cast iron pan. So let's get started. We're going to fire up the Kamado Joe Classic, and I'm going to set up for indirect cooking, and I'm going to cook at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit today. And when I cook at warmer temperatures like that over indirect heat, I like to use the accessory rack to bring the level up on the heat deflectors a little bit to help those help improve the airflow. And I'm also going to hit my grill grates with the brush. These things are a little dirty from my last cook, so we'll get them cleaned off a little bit, and I'll get this grill running at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to start putting this pan meal together. I've taken this beautiful Porter Road chicken and I've rinsed it, patted it dry, and I've seasoned this guy down with the Atlanta Grill Company, the Big Chicken Seasoning Blend. So now we're going to add some additional things to this pan. I've got some red potatoes that I have tossed in olive oil and seasoned with some of that same Atlanta Grill Company, the Big Chicken. We're going to layer those out on the bottom of the pan. And then we've got some quartered red onions. I'm just going to toss some of these around the outer edges of this pan. And then we've got some carrots. I'm going to toss them around. And we'll finish this off for good practice with some Brussels sprouts that I've trimmed the bottoms off of and pulled the outer leaves off. All of this stuff has been tossed in olive oil and seasoned with the Big Chicken. So let's get this on the grill. Okay, our grill is rolling nice and hot here, so we're gonna crack it open. We're gonna slide this pan right here in the middle. We're going to close it back down and cook it till that chicken's done. I'm going to let that chicken cook till it's about 155 degrees in the thick part of the breast. We've been going right at about an hour and a half, and this chicken's ready. It's probing exactly where I want it. These vegetables are nicely roasted. They've got some nice char on them. At about the 60-minute mark, I back the temperature on the grill back down to about 350 because these vegetables don't need an hour and a half in 400 degrees, so I backed the temperature down and everything now looks absolutely perfect. So you've got here a beautiful one-pan meal. All you've got to do is break down this chicken and then serve these vegetables to go with it. So give this a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.